the ultimate fruit custard trifle that is creamy, refreshing, and so addictive you won't be able to stop eating it. It's the ultimate party and family gathering dessert. So let's make it. First, let's make our jelly so it has time to set. Take 2 bowls with 1 cup of boiling hot water in each. Add 1 cup of orange jelly powder to one and cherry jelly powder to the other. You can add any flavors you want. Whisk until completely dissolved with no granules left. Then stir in 1 cup of cold water in each bowl and refrigerate until fully set. Now for our creamy custard, measure out 1 liter of milk. Separate 1 cup and pour the rest into a saucepan over medium heat to boil. Take that 1 cup of cold milk. Add half a cup or 50 grams of custard powder and whisk until completely smooth with no lumps. Once the saucepan milk starts boiling, add half a cup of sugar or up to 3/4 cup if you like it sweeter. Gradually pour in the custard mixture while whisking continuously to prevent lumps. And keep whisking until thick, smooth and creamy. Cook for another 3 to 4 minutes on lowest flame. Let it cool for 20 minutes, then chill in the fridge. Now prep the layers. Take a simple homemade tea cake. You can click the I button for my easy tea cake recipe and cut it into small bite-sized cubes. Cut the set jelly into small cubes. And open a medium-sized can of fruit cocktail or use fresh fruits like bananas, mangoes and grapes or any fruits of your choice. Place an even layer of tea cake cubes at the bottom of a glass serving bowl. Drizzle plain milk from a squeeze bottle all over the cake pieces. This is key to keeping the cake super soft, moist and juicy. Add a layer of fruit cocktail, followed by those vibrant jelly cubes. Now for my special secret trick, add 100 grams of dairy cream to the chilled custard and whisk really well. This instantly brings back that rich velvety texture so it spreads like a dream. Pour that gorgeous custard generously over the layers. And gently tap the bowl on the counter so it seeps all the way down. Decorate the top with extra jelly, fruit cocktail and roasted almonds for a nutty crunch. Refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours until thoroughly chilled. And look at those stunning colorful layers. Give this recipe a try. Let me know in the comments how you liked it and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.